Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I forgot to film an intro and an outro for the video. So basically I just cleaned I sound so tired. I cleaned my fuc+it drawer, as I like to call it. It's just a drawer that I have where I just throw everything in there. And I clean it every few months. Less than what I should do, but the point is that it gets clean, and then I toss away the stuff that I don't need, and anything that doesn't belong I put it back where it belongs. So that's the video, and I have a little bit more cleaning to do before the New Year's. Like I wanna clean pretty much, like make sure laundry is done, like wipe everything off the walls and all that stuff. And I don't know, what are you guys not rituals, what are you guys traditions for New Year's? Like, do you clean? Do you cook? Do you just wait it out? Like, mine is I clean. Most of the time I'm by myself because my family's away on holiday, so I try to clean and toss away everything that I don't need. And it's good because like my mom doesn't get to see everything that I get to throw away, and it's easier for me to throw things out when I don't have nobody telling me, oh my god, what is this, give it to me. Like, the point is to get rid of clutter, not move it to another side of the apartment. We already live small as it is. So hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks so much for watching. hidden Pam here. Nobody told me that my boob was sweating. I had boob sweat underneath my boobs, number one. Disregard my sad boobs. And I'm wearing diapers because I got my period and that's what I wear, because long story, and you get to see all of that. I apologize for all the stuff, but this is real, this is me, and okay.